Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk all about the new loyalty rewards program offered in India to all of our amazing partners in India and customers. So the loyalty rewards program is a program where we reward people who are ordering on a monthly basis. Now, like most reward programs, you're going to get a percentage back, but unlike most reward programs, doTERRA is very generous in the rewards that they offer to the people who place orders on a monthly basis. So I want to talk about all the different things that questions that come up with our loyalty rewards. So the very first one is we call this program the LRP program, the Loyalty Rewards Program. And this provides free product credits for your monthly purchases based off of what you order in this program. Now, you can immediately begin earning product points and percentages off of your orders. If anything that you order on your loyalty rewards account that is over 50 PV will give you a percentage back. And I want to show you what that percentage is right now. So the way that this works is in the first 1 to 3 months, you actually get 10% back of all of your purchases. So you get 10% back of the product value of your purchases. And when you get up to 125 PV for that month, there's actually a free product that comes with it. So this is a great way to build up your essential oil supply and get new products is by using our loyalty rewards program. So if you order by the 15th and it's 125 PV or more, you get a free product. Now the first through third month, you get 10% back. So let's just make this math easy. Let's say you order 100 PV, you're going to get 10 doTERRA dollars, that's what we like to call them, in your account that you can then use for later purchases. Okay, you can redeem them for additional products that we have. So that's month 1 through 3. Now you'll notice when you get to 4 to 6, you're getting 15% back, then 20, then 25, then 30% back based on how long you've been ordering. Now, a couple things to remember is you have to order a minimum of 50 PV to qualify to get points back. So there is a minimum 1 PV to maintain your loyalty rewards account and keep your points. If you ever decide to cancel it, make sure that you use your points before you cancel it. And it's so easy to redeem them, which I'll do another video about how to redeem your points after this one. And that's about it. It's really such a great way to not only build up your product, but get a lot of things for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in starting an essential oil business in India, please reach out to me. You'll find my information in the description below. You can apply to work with me there. And I would love to be your mentor and help you find either product or build a business using these products. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you very soon. See you later. Bye-bye.